Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 89 Jimmy here. Fuel injected, so that's the nice thing. You can see the radio working. Half a fuel tank. 27,906, so I have no idea. With 5-digit odometer, obviously probably not actual miles. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. So the horn does not work. Wipers work. This one's caught on here, that's weird. So I know we just worked on it. There we go. So power locks work. Power window. Both sides. Your rear window. Air blows cold, we worked on that. So we'll show you the lights and let's take a listen to the engine. There's that air taking on. Runs good. This is a factory 350. Seats have got good tread on the tires. Probably close to new, and then there's your tail lights. See, they work. So everything works on it except for the horn. And, oh, we don't have a bulb in the dome light. So any questions? Give me a call. 605-695-7391.